You ready?
Good.
Pop your shoulder back like this. So you're gonna go back and like hard and fast, all right? While I hold this. All right. No.
So
For a second, I was like, wait a minute, is she playing around? I was like, wait. You were serious, all right? So I'm gonna hold it like this, right? And on the count of three, you're gonna do that same motion, quick, hard, and fast, all right?
all right.
All right, same thing. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. You all right?
Very happy. Yes.
So, honest opinion, after the treatment, how do you feel? Let us know.
I feel relieved from head to toe.